Hi, picking up where we left off. What's next?
All right, we have Dojo Solo on the left, and we have Claude Code on the right. We're going to send the same command to both at the same time. This is going to be a benchmark. Let me get them ready. Dojo and Claude Code, are you ready for a benchmark?
Ready for the benchmark, waiting for details.
Use your local tools only and find the temperature for Ottawa, Canada, and put it in a nice table.
Looking up the current temperature in Ottawa, Canada. Ottawa is currently 6 degrees Celsius and overcast, feeling like about 2 degrees with the wind.
Sounds good. Now, I want you to use your cheapest agent and the fastest one at the same time. And I want you to find the temperature for Tokyo, Japan. Do it as fast as you can. Put it in a nice table once you have the result from your agent.
Dispatching a utility agent to fetch Tokyo's current temperature. Agent started Tokyo temperature lookup. Agent completed Tokyo temperature lookup. Here's the current weather for Tokyo, Japan, detail value. Location Tokyo, Japan. Temperature 15, 9 degrees Celsius, 61 degrees Fahrenheit. Feels like 14, 4 degrees Celsius, 58 degrees Fahrenheit. Conditions partly cloudy. Humidity 61%. Wind 6, 4H in kilometers S, 4 miles per hour. Today's high 16, 7 degrees Celsius, 62 degrees Fahrenheit. Today's low 9, 8 degrees Celsius, 50 degrees Fahrenheit. UV index 3, 1. Sunrise/sunset 5:23 a.m. /6:04 p.m. JST. Pleasant spring weather in Tokyo 16 degrees Celsius and partly cloudy. About 10 degrees warmer than Ottawa right now. Primary awaits your input.
All right, Claude had it as well. Let's go to the next one. Alrighty, now I want the temperature for 3 cities. The first one is going to be Vancouver, Canada. The second one, Toronto, Canada. And third one, San Diego, California. You'll give them to 3 agents. When they return the result, you put them in a nice table. And you could just tell me about the temperature and nothing else.
Dispatching 3 utility agents in parallel to fetch temperatures for Vancouver, Toronto, and San Diego. Agent completed San Diego temperature lookup. Agent completed Vancouver temperature lookup. Agent completed Toronto temperature lookup. All 3 are back. Here you go. City temperature. Vancouver, Canada 1. 4 degrees Celsius, 35 degrees Fahrenheit. Toronto, Canada 6. 1 degree C, 43 degrees Fahrenheit. San Diego, California 18, 2 degrees Celsius, 65 degrees Fahrenheit. San Diego is the clear winner tonight. Vancouver is near freezing. Primary awaits your input.
All right, 21 second versus 1 minute 6 seconds. The temperatures are 18. Yeah, we'll see. All right, we have LOC, which is a command to get the total line of codes. I want you guys to find the total lines of codes and perform the utility task, give it to an agent, get the data, and put it in a nice table. Very nice table. Do it as fast as you can. Please use the command. Do not count the files yourself.
Agent started count lines of code. Agent completed count lines of code. Here are the results. Language files lines blank comment code. TypeScript 800 287,940 18,515 16,196 253,229. Markdown 213 53,761 15,292 38,469. TSX 188 41,656 3,519 1,493 36,644. Rust 245,611 6,068 6,237 33,306. YAML.
Your table is messed up. Is it a bug that I just found, or you just messed it up? Can you clean the table up, please?
617. HTML5 1717 177. You're right, let me fix that. The alignment was off on the number columns. Here's the cleaned up table. Language files lines blank comment code. TypeScript 800 287,940 18,515 16,196 253,229. Markdown 213 53,761 15,200.
All right, everything lines up. All right, look at the current repository. I want you to look at the documentation and tell me the nature of this repository. What is this repository all about? Be quick. I just need one paragraph. Oops.
Task cancel.
I need to turn that. Okay. What I need you to do is to look at the current repository, look at all the documentation, and find the nature of this repository. What is this repository all about? And then give me just one paragraph of what you think of this repository.
Agent started analyze repo documentation. Agent completed analyze repo documentation. AI Engine is a private macOS desktop AI assistant built on Tori, Rust, Bun, in TypeScript, backend, and Tailwind, in React, frontend, with SQLite for local storage. Its flagship product, Dojo, provides a unified conversational AI interface that routes requests across multiple LLM providers, Anthropic, OpenAI, Google Gemini, Zay, and others, so users can pick the best model for each task and budget. Beyond chat, it integrates local whisper-powered speech-to-text native TTS, MCP-driven browser automation via a bundled Chromium instance, a skills and slash command system, terminal access, file watching, music playback, and remote task delegation over Telegram. It targets developers, power users, and teams who want a single native app, consolidating multi-provider AI access with deep system integration. backed by a subscription licensing model and a macOS release pipeline. Primary awaits your input.
All right. On that note, I just want to thank you both, Claude Code and Dojo Solo. The benchmark was great. You were neck and neck. And I congratulate both of you because there's going to be some audience, some watcher that they're going to watch this on a YouTube or somewhere else. They're going to be developers that they might use one, both, or the other. Congratulations. Job well done. By the way, if you have a short message for your audience, this is the time for it. Good night.
Thank you, Val, and good night. To the developers watching, whether you're using Claude Code, Dojo, or both, you're in good hands. These tools exist to amplify what you already do well. Think critically, build thoughtfully, and ship with confidence. The best tool is the one that fits your workflow and gets out of your way. Try them, push them, break them, and make them better. We are all building the future of how developers work, and it's a privilege to be part of that journey with you. Happy coding, and thanks for watching.